Hello, this is Jacob Campbell with Jacob Campbell Insurance Agency, your local Medicare and health insurance agent located right here in Oklahoma City. I'm wanting to talk to you today about a question that I get asked quite a bit, and that is, can I delay my enrollment in Medicare if I want to stay on my employer's health plan? And I generally tell folks, yes, you can, but there are several caveats to that, and you want to know what those caveats are before you make your decision. The first question I ask is, are you still actively working, or are you on a retiree type plan, or even COBRA? If you're actively working, then the option to delay is still there. The second question I ask is the prescription drug coverage credible, but based off of the guidelines set forth by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services? If it is credible coverage, then you can consider delaying it. And the third question I ask is, how large of an employer do you work for? Is there 20 employees or more, or 20 employees or less? If it's more than 20 employees, then you can consider delaying your Medicare. There are consequences if you delay your Medicare and you get it wrong. The first is there is lifetime penalties associated with late enrollment, and those penalties can be costly depending upon how late you enroll. The second is that could create a gap in health coverage. So if you don't enroll when you're initially eligible for Medicare, you would have to wait until another enrollment period before you could actually enroll in Medicare. And then, depending upon the time of year it is, that could be months. And if you have an ongoing medical need, you could be without coverage for several months, and that's not a good thing. Another thing I advise folks that are considering delaying their Medicare is to just do a comparison between your Medicare options and your employer coverage. Many times when I speak to folks, they find that the Medicare option is actually more beneficial than what their employer health plan is. But that is ultimately your decision. I'm just here to help guide you through your options and let you know what those consequences are if you were to get it wrong. If you do need help with any of this process, if you have any questions as to whether your situation would allow you to delay your Medicare, or if you should enroll in Medicare when you turn 65, feel free to give me a call at 405-388-6611, or you can reach me through my website at www.jacobcampbell-agency.com. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.